120 and 144. Now find the factors of 120. 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. Yes, last two digits. 4 5 are 20, so 4 will come. 4, 5 will come. Yes, last is 0. 6 will come. Yes, 6. Yes, so see, you have to find fast. 6 2s are 12 and this 0 means 20. If we divide with the 6, remainder will be 0. That means 6 is the factor of 120. 7, no. 5, 8, 8, no. 9 will not come. 10 will come because ending is 0. 11, 12, 13, 12 will come. Yes, 12 will also come. Then 12 after 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 will come. Yes, in the table of 15 also 120 comes, no? 16, 17, no. After 15 what will come? 30 will come, I think. 30, yes, 30 will come. Okay. Then after 30, 60 will come. 30, yes. Then 20, if we divide it by 5, 120 divided by 5, 24. So students, 24 also remain our 24. Our after 15, I think 24 should come. Then 24 5s are 120. Yes. Then 30 will come. Then 40 will also come. Then okay. Then 20 have we written? No, 20 also will come. See students, even I am also 20 and then 24. Always write the factors in ascending order, okay? 20 will also come, 24, then 30, 40, then I think 20 over, then 10, 12 will come. Yes, always already we have written. And then I think half of this 60 will come. Then after 40, 50 will not come, no? 50, let us see. 50 will come? No, it will not come. 50 is not the factor of 120. And after 60, I think 120 only will come. Okay. Then 144. 1, 2, 3 will come. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Yes, 3 will come. 4 will come. Yes, because last two digits if I take 44. Then 5 will not come. Then 6 will come. 6. Yes, if you divide with the 6 students, see. 6 to the 12. Here 2. Here 24. So 6. Even the 6 and this which quotient comes, no, that also will be the factor. So 24 also will be the one factor of 144. So remember, see, when we divide this such a number, which quotient comes, no students, that quotient also is one of the factor of such a number. Means suppose I divide with 144 by 2. What answer comes? 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. So 72. 72 is also one of the factor of 144. If I divide with the 3. See, I am just telling you one what trick, how to find the more means bigger factor of this if the 3-digit number is there. If I written 1, if I divide with the 1, 144 only will come. So always we write last at the last. If I divide with the 2, I get here 72 quotient. So that 72 also will be the factor of 144. If I divide with the 3, then let's see with the 3. 144 divided by 3. 4, then 8, 3 8s are 24. So 48 is the question. That also will be one of the factor of 144. If I divide with 4, what I get? 144 divided by 4. So 4 3s are 12. 4 6s are 24. So 36 is also one of the factors. We see 4 is also the factor, and if when I divide with the 4 I get remainder 0. But that time which quotient is there, that also will be the one of the factor of such a number. Are you getting what I am saying? When I write 2 is the factor of 144, I use the test for 2 because ending is 4. But if I divide with the 4 with 144, then I get a quotient is the 72, and that 72 also will be one of the factor of 144. Okay, then with the 4 I have divided, then 6. If I divide with the 6, what I will get? 6 144 divided by 6. 24, which is already we have written. Okay, then see, like this way you can get the biggest factor. Now we don't learn the table of 72, isn't it? So what I have found, how I found this 72, I had, when we write these smaller factors, just divide, but do the division, actual division, and whatever quotient will come, that also you have to note down. Okay, now we have to write in the highest, in ascending order, this all factors. Okay, 1 2 3 4 6, then 7 will come, no, 8 will come, 8 will come, I think. So you have to divide 144 divided by 8. Yes, 8 also comes because remainder coming 0. So 8 and 18, 8 and 18 both are the factors. 8 and 18 I will write down. Okay, because we have to write, why I am writing this down, because we are going to write this all the factors in ascending order. So 8 I have got. Okay, then next after 8, 9 will come. So 9 test we have. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. So yes, 9 is there in the table of 9, so that number is divisible by 9. So let me divide this actually with the 9. 144 divided by 9. So what comes is the, let us divide. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. So see, 9 and 16, 9 and 16 also will be the factor of 144. Then see this trick, I have told you how to find this biggest factor, bigger factors of this 3-digit number. Then 10 will come, no. 11 will come, no. You have to divide it. I am doing it in mind, so you can do it actual division and check whether if we divide with the 11, whether the remainder comes 0, then it is factor. If not, then no factor. 12 will come, yes, 12 will come. If you divide with the 12, see, 144 divided by 12, 12 ones are 12 and 12 twos are 24. So 12 12, 12 12, so once only we can write 12. So 12 is also one of the factors. 13 will come, no. 14, no. 15, 16 will come, already we have written. Now after 12, these all factors will come. See, already 16 is there. 13, 14, 15 is not there, is not divisible by 144. So now 16 is there. Then 18 is there. Now among this, any other factors will not come. 18. Then after 18, 24 I can write. After 24, 48 will come. After 48, 72 will come. And after 72, I think 144, that number itself. So this I will erase now. Why I have written here one side? Now do you remember, do you understand? We have to write all the factors in ascending order, means smaller to bigger. So these are all the factors of 144. And now you have to find the common factors. See, common factors. Let us find 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 8, 10, 10, 12, 12. Okay, then 15 is not there, 20 is there, no. 24, yes, 24. Then, no. So these all are the factors of common factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. And therefore, HCF will be the highest common factor is 24. So this is all the about all these examples. So HCF of these two numbers is 24. See, if you forget 24 to write here the factor, then your answer will, you will not find common factor, no. So your answer will be wrong. So like this way you can find the HCF of 3-digit number. So here in the first question 10 examples are given to you. So among that 5 examples I already solved. Oh no, 4 examples I already solved. Fourth one also homework I have given. And next only 10th example is of 3-digit number. That also you have to try this way now. I told you how to find the factors. Okay. So now this practice set 24, question number 1 to 10 examples you have to solve in your notebook. Thank you.